friends, welcome to Kids Cooking. Today we're gonna make a beautiful cheesecake with Raffaello candy. Let's start. For this recipe we need coconut flakes, biscuits, butter, liquid cream, Raffaello, refined sugar, jelly, lemon and creamy cheese. You ready? Let's go! First we crumble the biscuits, melt the butter and mix together. We crumble the biscuits, we melted the butter and now we mix. We have to press hard so the base will not crumble. Let's put this to rest in the fridge. And now let's go to the second step, the cream. I put the jelly powder in the water. Leave it here for 5 minutes. And now we'll warm the liquid cream and add the sugar and the coconut flakes. Be careful not to boil. For the second part of the cream, we mix the cheese, vanilla and the lemon bread. So now we just mix the two compositions. Who said cooking is hard? So this is it. This is our cake. Wow!